Hello, what's good, everyone? Last time I'm already introduced myself, so today I will introduce my favorite and special. It's called my father. My father is uh, it was a teacher also in elementary school, but now it's already retirement. And he is already like 75 years old. It's very old. That's why he is in retirement already. My father lived in Malang, it's Java, Indonesia, and he is born and grew up in Malang. My father is very special person for me because my mother is already passed away. So my father doing like his work and also homework like cooking and everything is doing by himself. And his hobby is like every morning it must reading newspaper. It's very classic, but still he is still doing like that and drink some tea with it. And now he is my favorite person because it's I live with him already all my life, you know. It's making my food everything when I was young, and he's very loyal and still single after my mother passed away until now. And I think that's it. That is my task for today English lesson or discussion, I would say. Thank you. Have a good day.